Hello, where are you flying?
I am flying to London.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here is my passport.
Do you have check-in bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Is it too heavy today?
No, the weight is perfect.
Do I have a window seat?
Let me check the system.
I really like window seats.
Yes, you have a window.
That is very good news.
Here is your boarding pass.
What time is the boarding?
Boarding starts at 2 o'clock.
Which gate should I go to?
You must go to gate 5.
Is it a long walk?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Where is the security check?
It is on the right side.
Thank you for your help.
Have a very safe flight. Please put your bags here.
Do I take off my jacket?
Yes, put it in the tray.
Should I remove my belt?
Yes, take off your belt.
Do I need to remove shoes?
No, keep your shoes on.
What about my laptop computer?
Take it out of the bag.
I will put it right here.
Do you have any water?
Yes, I have a small bottle.
You must throw it away.
Okay, I will throw it.
Please step through the scanner.
I am walking through now.
Please stop and stand still.
Did the scanner beep just now?
No, everything is perfectly fine.
Can I take my bags?
Yes, take all your things.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Put your belt back on.
I am doing it right now.
Next passenger, please come forward.
Next in line, please come.
Hello. Good morning to you.
Show me your passport, please.
Here is my travel passport.
Where are you coming from?
I am flying from Spain.
What is the visit purpose?
I am here for tourism.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
Where will you stay here?
I booked a central hotel.
Do you have the booking?
Yes, I printed the paper.
Let me see the paper.
It is right over here.
How much cash do you have?
I have $500.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am completely alone.
Look at the camera, please.
I am looking at it.
I will stamp your passport.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome to our beautiful country.
Excuse me, can you help?
Yes. What do you need?
I am looking for gate 10.
Let me see your boarding pass.
Here is my printed pass.
Your gate was changed recently.
What is the new gate?
You must go to gate 20.
Where is gate number 20?
Turn left and walk straight.
Is it a very long walk?
It is a 5-minute walk.
Do I go past the shops?
Yes. Walk past the bookstore.
Is there a toilet near there?
Yes. Right next to the gate.
What time does boarding close?
It closes in 20 minutes.
I have to walk very fast.
You have plenty of time.
Can I buy water near there?
Yes, there is a small cafe.
Thank you for your good help.
Have a very safe flight.
I will go right now.
Hello, I need some help.
What is the problem, sir?
I cannot find my suitcase.
Which flight did you arrive on?
I arrived on flight 7.
Did you check the baggage carousel?
Yes, I waited for an hour.
Give me your luggage tag.
Here is the small sticker.
What color is your suitcase?
It is a large black suitcase.
Does it have any wheels?
Yes, it has 4 wheels.
Is there a name tag on it?
Yes, My name is on it.
Let me check the computer system.
Where is my bag now?
It is still in the departure city.
When will it arrive here?
It will arrive tomorrow morning.
Will you send it to my hotel?
Yes, we will deliver it fast.
Please write down my hotel address.
I will type it right now.
Thank you for your quick help.